It has been hidden behind a curtain of stigma and discrimination for too long. It is time to bring it out into the open. The magnitude, suffering, and the burden in terms of disability and the costs for individuals, families, and societies are staggering. In the last few years, the world has become more aware of this enormous burden and the potential for mental health gains. Yet, people tend to hide their problems and choose to suffer. We, the volunteers of NSS Project Lakshya, are going to bring forward the topic of mental health with the hope that people can speak up freely about their problems.
Why talking about mental health is important? क्या होता है mental health? Mental health is defined how a person generally thinks, feels and behaves. Mental health is considered to be analogous to mental disorder. इंडिया में mental health को एक stigma की तरह माना जाता है. It is considered to be an act of attention seeking and a symbol of weakness. The basic thing people don't try to understand is that mental health is as important as our physical health. People who suffer from mental health issues live a two-faced life. On the outside, they are happy, but on the inside, they suffer and scream because they know that there is no one in the society who would come and provide them with proper guidance. It's time to change that. Mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and nervous breakdown hits different people in different ways. It affects majority of the world's population. According to WHO, 264 billion people are affected by mental health issues. It's time to stand up and speak up for people suffering from mental health issues. It's time to let them know that they are not alone in this fight.
Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, think or act. Fortunately, it is also treatable. There are several factors that can play a role in causing depression. But in all these, the big question lies that how do we know that the person is in depression? There are several signs and symptoms that we can monitor for ourselves and for others also. If you're feeling sad or having loss of interest or pleasure in activities once enjoyed, having sudden weight loss or weight gain unrelated to dieting, getting trouble in sleeping, sleeping too much or loss of energy are the starting signs of depression. As time passes, the signs and symptoms get much difficult to detect and the person has difficulty concentration and expressing his or her inner feelings. But depressions can be cured easily by therapy, discussions and not by stacking it in yourself.
There are many different conditions which are recognized as a mental illness, and most common of them are anxiety. Here, person fears and worry which are strong enough to get involved in daily activity. Eating disorder. It involves the extreme emotions and behavior towards the eating and weight of a body. Psychotic disorder. It involves the distortion and awareness. For example, hallucination and delusion.
Depression can be severe and life-altering, affecting the life and happiness of those who live with it. But what if there is depression among teens? For teenagers, the pressure to conform and get approval is quite acute. But this problem becomes to a greater issue when parental pressure steps in. With increase in time, their demand increases to become a good doctor, a good lawyer, and so on. And that the pressure becomes unbearable for teens. There is also a reason we often make friends, make some good memories with them, and wish to be with them forever. But it doesn't happen all the time. Often for some reasons we withdraw our friendships and regret for them.
डिप्रेशन 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 डिप्रेशन, चारों ओर सिर्फ डिप्रेशन ही छाया गया है। हम सभी अपने काम में तनाव महसूस करते हैं। कुछ दिन इतने भयानक होते हैं जब सब कुछ गलत होने लगता है, जब काम अपनी इच्छा से नहीं होता। कभी कभी हम जो जॉब चाहते हैं वो नहीं मिल पाती है, जिसके चलते हम अपने आप से नाखुश होते हैं और बस अपने आप को ही कोसते रहते हैं। इसीलिए हमारे दिमाग में तनाव आ जाता है, हम अपने आप को प्रेशर में फील करते हैं और उसी के चलते डिप्रेशन होने लगती है। हम इतने मायूस हो जाते हैं कि हमें कोई भी काम में मन नहीं लगता है, हम अंदर से चिढ़ने लगते हैं, अंदर ही अंदर घुटन होने लगती है, सब कुछ एकदम से जैसे खत्म हो जाता है और हम बस चुपचाप इसे सहते रहते हैं। हम किसी को नहीं बता पाते कि हम डिप्रेशन में हम क्या फील कर रहे हैं। हमें लगता है लोग हमारा मजाक उड़ाएंगे, हमें लगता है लोग हम पे हंसेंगे और फिर एक दिन ऐसा आ जाता है जब हम अपने आप से इतना परेशान हो जाते हैं और इसके चलते हमारे दिमाग में नेगेटिव थॉट्स बढ़ जाते हैं और हम सुसाइड तक का अटेम्प्ट करने लगते हैं। क्यों और कब तक ये चलता रहेगा? कब हम अपने सामने आएंगे और हमारी परेशानी को बताएंगे? इस पे बहुत सारे सवाल उठते हैं, लेकिन हमको चिंता नहीं करनी है, हमको मजबूत रहना है, क्योंकि कभी भी ऐसी मुसीबतें आती हैं, चारों ओर से सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है, लेकिन हमें याद रखना है कि वी आर वेरी स्ट्रांग एंड हम हर मुसीबत का डट कर सामना कर सकते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Self depression test. Answer in either yes or no. Do you have little interest or pleasure in doing work? Do you feel hopeless or down? Do you feel like you have little energy or feel constantly tired? Are you having a loss of appetite or eating way too much? Do you feel you have trouble in sleeping or are you taking a nap way too long? Do you have trouble in concentrating on things? Have you ever thought about harming someone or your own self? It's time to check your answers. If you have scored 2 or less, it's highly unlikely that you are depressed. If you have scored between 2 and 4, then you may be suffering from mild depression. If you have scored 5 or more, then you may be suffering from extreme depression. Depression is battling with mental health. So stand up, speak up. Mental health is important. I will have to talk something about how to overcome depression in very basic natural ways. So first of all we can do is talk with someone. Talking with someone always help in our battle with depression. After that, take a long walk, feel the warm sun, read a new book. Reading a book always helps us bring a new perspective in our life. Brother, eating healthy and taking the necessary nutrition in time always helps us in the battle of depression. After that, create something new, busy with yourself, and last but not the least, have the courage to change yourself.
Let us take the real world example of Sarah to understand how she and people like her can cope up with this crippling entity. Sarah recognized early signs of anxiety in her childhood. She did not retain friends from school, but now at the age of 24, she suffered from serious depression. She told, "I put all my physical energy working full time while completing my university degree, working 7 days a week. Travel was her escape with incredible love for adventures. She could not accept death and leave behind the thrill of life. In order to work these extreme hours, she gave every aspect of her social life and well-being. She ate terribly and never exercised. Every cent of her wage went into paying bills. During this period, her self-confidence was at all-time low and felt disgusted every time she looked into the mirror. She felt an embarrassment in public with a constant voice in her head. Why would anyone be friends with me? I'm ugly and pathetic." But after a year, things improved. Would I say her life is perfect? No. She did small things which made such a huge change to her life, like joining a netball team, regularly going to the gym, and pushing herself to interact socially. Most importantly, she has a partner who has stayed by her side through all her anxiety attacks and sleepless crying night. And when she was extremely hard person to love. So if you're out there, I promise things will get better. Just keep pushing on one day at a time.